What is up, everybody? It is a beautiful evening here on the White River in Arkansas. I am on vacation, and today we're just going to be focusing on, hitting these calm pockets right behind this tree for fish, that are in the deeper pools, because you guys can see this river is pretty strong current. So, I'll keep you updated as we go. All right, guys, this is what I was talking about. It's a nice calm pocket right here, followed by, some ripping current. So a lot of the fish will be stacked up in these little pockets right here, looking for an easy meal to pass by and to get out of the way of the current. Man, for my first time being in Arkansas, these rivers are sure very blue. Back in Michigan, we have nothing like this. Like, I can see my bait all the way up until I reel it in. That's just something you don't really get in Michigan. Oh, there's one. Speak of the devil. That one? Got another one, guys. Another one right on this little inline spinner. Oh, and self-release. Always the best kind. But, yep, we're still just throwing these inline spinners right into these calmer pockets over these rocks, and these fish are just coming out from all sorts of angles on these rocks and just smoking these things. Looks like a little bait fish, and then it's a pretty easy meal for most of these guys. But looking to upgrade one a little bigger. I don't think anything has been above probably 4 inches. And that's being pretty generous. But it is just an absolute gorgeous night. I mean, look at that sky, guys. It does not get much better than that. Just slow cranking it in, seeing what we can get.
It's so cute.
All right, guys, we actually got one right here on this inline spinner, a baby smallmouth bass. Oh my goodness.
That's tiny.
Look at this. If you guys can see that, he's got something in his mouth as well. Look what's in his mouth.
Oh, yeah, he's definitely got something in there.
Yeah.
No, I'll get a better picture.
But now we're gonna let this guy go. Oh my goodness. Finally. I think I see another one. You were right, you saw one. Oh, you're kidding. There we go. I can give you a spinner like this. You want one of these, Boo? I think it'd probably work a little better. There's one. Another one on this little spinner. A second little dinky smallmouth bass. And these hooks are sharp. See? The dinky guy? Back down he goes. Oh. Nah. It is not easy getting through these rocks to get to these spots. Whoa. But when you do, it is worth it. See, we got a little rock right there. Let's pitch out. See if there's anything in between that one. Go down to the water level. Gotta find a rock to stand on. Oh. Nope. Oh my God, it's something big. Oh. All right, we're gonna try the middle of the river now. The banks are not really seeming to produce that much anymore. There's a rock, but I'm gonna try and chuck a little more. If not, we're gonna slowly make our way back up river and head back towards where we started from. So we'll give this spot probably another 5-ish, 10-ish minutes. If we don't get any nibbles, we're gonna start to head back. So I'll keep you guys, keep you guys updated. All right, guys, Jordan's got one. It's the dinkiest smallmouth ever, but all right, we'll get this off. Whew. Water is cold.
Thank you.
Once again on this gold inline spinner, but it is a pretty little fish. Work on getting this off for you guys. And back down to the water it goes. Let's see him. Nice job, babe.
Thanks.
Alright, you guys can see right now we're just on these rocks, but we have like a little waterfall type thing right here, followed by this nice calmer pocket, and these fish are kind of just stacked in these rocks waiting for an easy meal to pass by. And I'm throwing a spinner too. Mine's blue, she's got the gold one on. We're just pitching it out there and really just letting it flutter. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just got hit right there. But these fish are so small, but they're so aggressive. And yeah, hopefully we get some more. Oh my God, it just nipped it again.
Got old
All right, guys, well, only that one fish from this spot, and we're gonna try one more spot, and if we don't get anything, I think we're gonna call it a day. You know, I'm getting scraped up pretty badly trying to climb these rocks. I've already fell in twice, and we're starting to lose daylight. So, you know, give it one more spot, see if we can manage to pull any last minute smallies or even a trout out of here. But if not, I think that's gonna be it for today. So I'll see you guys at the next spot. All right, guys, I think that's gonna about do it for today. You know, it's always such a great experience to get out there and just fish new bodies of water. Like I said, it's my first time in Arkansas, so you know, just being able to get out here and fish this gorgeous river right here, it's always a blessing. And you know, we caught a few fish. They weren't big or by any means, but you know, it's always still fun to get out there and just explore, enjoy the nature, and catch a few fish along the way. So I hope you guys like this video, you know, and I will see you guys back in Michigan, and peace.